Carmen has gone through the system, but her children aren't being considered at all.
The national immigration debate front and center in central Ohio. Carmen Guerrero Sandoval filing a federal lawsuit after getting served with a deportation order from U.S. immigration.
When Carmen came here, we discussed the possibility, and I explained to her that she'd pretty much exhausted the immigration system itself, but that there were still some options open.
Sandoval is from Mexico. She filed a petition for asylum 5 years ago and was denied. She appealed, but as she awaits the appeal process, Sandoval has been ordered to report to ICE on June 3rd for deportation. Her attorney told me this would destroy her family.
They're not being treated the same as other children in the state of Ohio. What are the rights of these children? Does that include having their mother with them?
Sandoval's 9-year-old son is a U.S. citizen, but the lawsuit acknowledges she's also pregnant with a different child expected to be born in this October. Now, if born in the United States, that child would be granted birthright citizenship. However, birthright citizenship has been challenged by the Trump administration and is now at the Supreme Court with a ruling not expected to take place until this summer.
Yeah.
Can a court interfere with that child's right to citizenship?
That's the question, isn't it? That's why we're there. Oh, unless you want to be hypocritical about it, if we're going to say that unborn children have rights, that includes everything.
The lawsuit also says the 9-year-old son has autism and needs special education services that are not available in Mexico.
If you separate this family, you are not acting in the best interest of the child. And if you're not acting in the best interest of a citizen, an Ohio citizen, then you're treating that child differently for some reason.
What happens to Carmen's kids should she have to leave the United States? Is there another family member who is a U.S. citizen?
I don't have the answer to that. I don't know.
Sandoval's attorney is asking for a temporary restraining order so the Supreme Court can rule on birthright citizenship. There is no scheduled hearing for that request.
This woman, no matter how this turns out, she does have a place she can go. She does know that there will be laws. She does know that there will be judges who will attempt to follow those laws. That doesn't happen anywhere else in the world.
On your side, Kirsten Lindquist, ABC 6 News.